A very good morning, everyone. You're here with another London session video. Today is the 3rd of May 2022. Before I start, as always, I would like to highlight that this is not financial advice. This is just the way that I see the markets and that I would like to share with all of you. Okay, cool. It's now 15 minutes before 10 a.m. UK time. So we are now currently trading into the London session. I have the DXY in front of me. Remember, guys, weekly time frame. Last week I did mention we had the low over here, formed mid-February 2018. We created a high. We failed to create a lower low. So yeah, we were probably gonna create a new higher high. This is what happened. Yeah. So we created a new higher high. We cleared the liquidity from March 2020. Yeah. So we broke above this high, and we are now currently trading over and around, I think, up and above the 103.5 area on the DXY. Okay, weekly time frame. I am looking. We are still bullish. We are still bullish, I think. So I will be looking for maybe lower prices on dollar to start a week. Don't forget, it's a new month, yeah. So we might form a little wick, the start of the start of a new month, when we might form a new wick on the monthly to then trade higher again. Yeah, from let's say from a fundamental perspective, we are still very bullish on dollar. So I'm expecting a pullback, maybe into 50% of this candlestick over here, weekly candlestick. Very, very strong bullish candle. Yeah, very strong body. 50% of the body. I would like to see a retracement. If we look now at the 1 hour, then we can see, and I think last week I mentioned in my video that I was expecting some bullish price action over here, which happened. Yeah, which is great. I took, I'm not sure if you guys took the trade in the Discord as well, but I shared a GBP USD trade idea. It was a stop loss. If we had waited to live for a little bit more, a bit longer, then we could have had like a very, very, very nice entry. But yeah, this is what it is. I think we all learn lessons and we all make mistakes, and it was definitely one of my mistakes. So apologies for that. But I'm pretty convinced about this week. I'm pretty convinced about this week because, yeah, as I said, weekly. I'm looking for a pullback into the weekly. Yeah, to the weekly 50% to then trade higher. I'm not gonna do anything. I'm not gonna participate in any trade, or at least not a dollar related currency pair, because I do believe and I think that we might see maybe first push higher, clear the liquidity, the high over here, to then trade lower. Yeah, that's first thing. So whenever I see a break or clear dollar clearing the liquidity over here, then I will be looking for a pullback. If we do not get to see this, if this does not happen and we trade lower, whenever we clear the liquidity over here, and ideally whenever we trade back into the 50% of the weekly, then I will be looking for that next leg higher. Yeah, so this will be my play for the week. I hope during the New York session that we will see one of those moves happening. Maybe first buy to then sell, or first sell to then buy. Yeah, it's pretty straightforward. We are now ranging. For me, there is no need to participate in the market. There's no need for me to participate in the market. I would like to see first dollar to clear the liquidity that's above here, then trade lower. If we fail to do so, then we might trade just lower, and whenever we clear the liquidity over here, yeah, then I will be looking for buy positions, ideally around this weekly 50% area. Okay, if I have any trade idea on EU, GU, AU, or NU, or any other currency pair, guys, as you know, I will be more than happy to share with you in the Discord. But this is what I'm looking at for dollar index. So let's see what's gonna happen. Let's see. But I just hope that we will see one of those two moves playing out, and then we might be able to participate and hopefully catch a really, really nice trade this week. Okay, guys, this was it from me. I will update you in a video this afternoon, a New York session video. Hopefully, I don't think we will reach one of those levels, but if we will reach one level, it should be this one. Yeah, so hopefully we will be trading here in the New York session, or London tomorrow in the London session, and then we can see what we can do. Okay, have a good one, guys. Speak soon. Bye bye.